Solar Hub, we now have every item you've been requesting for. So we have now this private street lamp without electricity. Your street should not be dark when we have this in Solar Hub. We have this outdoor emergency charging solar panel. With this, your gadgets are covered. We also have this powerful portable solar power system. Look at it, as you can see. If you're getting this, you're going to be enjoying steady power supply in your house, and it's very affordable. We have different new products here in Solar Hub. So walk into Solar Hub now so you can be part of those that will be enjoying our new products, because they will be sold out just immediately. So walk into Solar Hub here in IKEJA City Mall or JABI Abuja to shop our new products. And don't forget, you can also visit our website www.solarhub.ng to get more information about our products and services. We'll be expecting to see you. Bye.
Yeah, this shit left your section.